Hi, if you're here, it means that you've signed up successfully for C30 and you've fully onboarded. Now it's time to start adding team members and using all the amazing features of C30. Now we're just going to start with adding team members. You know, C30, one of the best things about C30 is that you can use one phone number and multiple users. We're just going to come here to settings, go to users, come to the top right hand side of your screen, click create a user, and let's assume that the team member's name is Dayo. And what do we call his last name? Let's say Dayo Jacobs. So Dayo Jacobs, and we put in an email address, then put add user. Once we do this, we successfully added a user. Once we do this, automatically Dayo gets an email telling him that he's now part of the team and he should sign up with his email address and his password that has been generated for him and sent to his email. So all that you need to do is go to c30.com, click sign in, and just log in. Simple as that. You can create as many users as you want. We can do the same thing. Say we have another person called Grace. What will we call her? Grace Matthew. Let's say her name is Grace Matthews. We can do the same thing for her and yes, give her an email like that. Yes. So you have reached the limits of 2 users for your free plan. Exactly. So if you're using the free plan, you have only maximum of 2 users, but the paid plan gives you maximum of up to 10 to 20 users. So get the paid plan, but for the free plan, you have just this access. I hope that's very clear. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to segment or create segments, how to segment and create segments on C30. Very, very simple. Let's get right into it. So we'll come here. As you can see, we have multiple customers, multiple chats. These are people that have come in. So how do we create a segment? You come to this menu bar here. You come here and create a new segment. So let's call this new segment test 1 because you're testing. So click create. Yeah, we come here. See, test 1 is here. So now I'm going to show you how to put people in test 1. Because when you come to test 1, you see no one is here, no conversations in test 1. So we're going to come back here, come back to chats. Once you hover, you see the copy button, you see the move button, you see the delete button, and you see the select button. So we can click on Ivan, select segment, put him in test 1, and voila, he leaves here. We can come back to test 1 and see that Ivan is now here. If we have multiple chats, we can also select, and once you're done selecting, we click move, come here, test 1, continue, and boom, you're done. If you come here to test 1, you'd see everyone now appears. Pretty cool, right? So this is how you easily segment on C30. Super easy, super efficient. Then the next thing we're going to be talking about is very simple. We're going to be talking about broadcast messaging, how to set up broadcast messaging. You want to send a lot of messages to all your customers. How do you do that? So you come to broadcast, click the broadcast button. As you can see, we have a lot of broadcast messages already. Then you click broadcast. So let's call this test broadcast, test 1 again. Category, you use marketing. Language, make sure you put English. Now, if you want it to be a media file, that is an image, you just add your image here. The image has to be JPEG or PNG. Make sure it's either JPEG or PNG. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to use text. So use text. Now this is your header, and now a preview is going to be there. So let's say testing C30. Let's say that testing C30. Come back right here. testing C30. So this is what the message will look like initially. But when you come down, we put body. So let's say testing C30 to all team members. And now this is the body of the message to all team members, right? Great. Then come to footer. What do we want to be in the footer? Footer is already automatic. Send from C30 button. Now there are two ways. You can either put a button, you can either put a quick reply where the person can just click and reply to you quickly, or you can put visit website. Now, why I like using visit website is you can also embed a link here. Let's say you want them to call a call to action to go to your website or whatever. You can just say click here, just like an ad, and you put in your website link. So once you get here, you put in your website link. So let's take the C30 website link, copy it from here, come back here, and put in the C30 website link and submit. This should take at least 5 seconds. Yeah, and it shows pending. It shows pending for a while, but come back within 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, and it's sorted. So we're going to close this. We've now created a broadcast message. Now, how do you send the broadcast message? We come back here, as you can see. So let's refresh and see. You're going to refresh and come back here. Come back, are you seeing it's been approved? So it's been approved. So all we do is come here, click send. Either you want to send to a particular person, but who wants to send a broadcast to just one person? Yes, or you come here and you click the segment that you want to send it to. Yeah. So what segment you want to send it to, you put in the segment and you click send, and automatically it sends. Very simple, right? Very simple. So this is how you segment and send broadcast messages. Now, the final thing I want to show you guys is how do you make quick replies? Because that's something that people ask a lot. How do I make quick replies? So we're going to go to hot leads. I will pick somebody from hot leads. We pick someone. We come here, click the slash button. This is what quick replies basically does. You want to send a message, you click the slant button. But first, let's create a quick reply. Yeah, so we come here. How do you create a quick reply? You come to the top of your screen, you're going to see quick reply. So the top left hand side of your screen, you click it. Come here, you click create a new reply. And what's the shortcut? So let's say the shortcut, you just say slant welcome. That's what we want it to be. That's what we want it to be. Now, what is the caption? What should that quick reply contain? Let's say it contains welcome to C30. Great to have you. Let's have that. The quick reply can also carry images if you want, but for the sake of this, we'll just use text. So put save, and boom, your quick reply is ready. Go back. Let's come here to use our quick reply. Let's refresh. Okay, refresh. Go back to hot leads. Click slant, and boom, welcome is here. Great to have you. Send. Let me send us a message. That's easy. I hope this helped. Reach out to us if you need more help. We are always available 247. Enjoy your day. Keep enjoying C30.